Here is the Hamilton conversion kit as you will receive it from us. I'm going to unbox it and I'll walk you through some very important notes as we're doing it. As you can see, this is the thick outside box in which it's going to ship. We make sure to double box all of our items for extra care in shipping. We use really high quality thick boxes as well. It's like Christmas. This here is the Hamilton conversion kit. We'll go ahead and unwrap it. Sometimes folks see these bubbles and they get concerned. This is a screen protector. It's designed to be removed. We put this in here to protect it during shipping. You're gonna get these air vent adapters here. We will use these to adapt the factory air vent to the new device, and some foam for extra sealing. This is the Hamilton wiring harness kit. I'll show you through the wiring. This one here is labeled Hamilton main screen power. It's going to plug into the primary slot on the back of the Hamilton screen. We have these 3 additional wires: OEM screen top plug, OEM screen power bottom plug, and original radio only plug. These 2 are going to go into the back of the original screen. So original screen bottom plug will plug into this bottom port here. Original screen top plug will plug into this top port here. And the factory harness from the Lexus will go into both of these. On the bottom of your radio, so that was the lower unit below this one, you'll plug in this harness, the Hamilton male, and your factory male will go into the Hamilton female. We have this other harness here. This one is connect to Hamilton screen lower panel. It's very important not to forget this. It's going to plug in down here. And then we have these 3 harnesses: OEM hazard lights, OEM screen small white plug, and OEM screen dark blue plug. This one here will accept the harness that was originally plugged in here. This port will now be empty. This one, OEM screen small white plug, will plug in right here, and the factory Lexus plug will go in right here. We've got a GPS antenna. It has this blue port that plugs in right here, a 4G antenna with this magenta port that plugs in right here. And we have this small speaker that plugs into this wire coming off the main Hamilton harness labeled speaker optional. What this speaker does, it allows us to mix sounds from CarPlay into your factory radio channels. If you're listening to Spotify or Apple Music, CarPlay will obviously talk through your vehicle speakers. But when you're listening to FM, XM, or AM radio from your original radio, this speaker will allow you to mix sounds from CarPlay, like navigation, into those factory radio channels. It's a really cool feature that we have. All right, let's jump in the vehicle and we'll go ahead and install it.